Hello, it's Josh at AMS. Today I'm going to be showing you around one of our service vans. This is built on the new Maxus panel van, Deliver 9. This is for one of our good customers. We're currently building 20 of these for them, and we are now open up to orders for going forward for any sort of service van, fit out whatever you need. We'll show you around this one, show you some of its features and benefits, and if you have any other questions, give us a call or an email, or of course WhatsApp me as well on my mobile number. It's 07749 724 985. For email, it's sales@amsrecoverytrucks.co.uk.
Exterior options we have fitted are options such as the strobes in the front and strobes on the rear for safety. You also have the recovery beacon on the roof. All vehicles are supplied brand new by us here at AMS. They come with the manufacturer warranty period from factory. The kit out we have also done comes with its own manufacturer's warranty, of course, as well. The sign writing was completed in-house here at AMS Recovery Trucks. We worked very closely with the customer on this to make sure it left the workshop here exactly as they wanted it to, with options such as the fading into the black, etc., as you can see. We worked very closely throughout this build with the end user, and we made sure to make every single option as easy to possible as use, and also on the exterior to match their other company vehicles and going forward their future sign rating needs. These vans were fully kitted out from us from start to finish, so we used top of the range equipment such as system Edgestrom for the racking system, which again was made bespokely with the customer's specific requirements in mind. This has options such as the full racking and shelving. It has hot and cold water. It has all of the customer supplied equipment such as vices and swaging machines. We can supply these also, but this is more as well. If you have specific machines, it's not a problem at all. It would be a matter of bringing them down to us and then we can adjust and supply. Options we've fitted to this vehicle include heavy duty flooring. We hid compressors in slots or areas what you would usually not use. We also broke down the machine so that we could move parts so it made more of a working area where the shelving is, for example, or where there's a table, so it gives maximum space for you and the users of the vehicles. This exact vehicle also comes with 5 years, 125,000 warranty from Maxus, and the equipment we have done on the inside also comes with 3 years warranty, and the racking comes with 5 years from System Edgestrom. These vehicles can be bought outright. We can also offer in-house financing. We can offer leasing with all of the work undertaken included in the prices. Options in the interior include things such as Apple CarPlay and navigation. This also comes with cruise control, keyless entry with start-stop, and it also comes as well with the upgraded interior. As you can see, we also have done the sign rating in-house as well. This has been done by a local partner who we work very closely with, and they offer all the options, so we can have these vehicles essentially leave here ready to go with every single option you require inside of them all sorted, and they can go straight to work within an hour. These Maxus vans were fully supplied by ourselves here at AMS, along with all financing opportunities or leasing. We can work with all manufacturers from Iveco, Mercedes, MAN, Maxus of course, Ford, etc. We're able to do this kit out on any vehicle you would require to your length or specific requirements. We spec these vans ourselves also with all of the options you would want on the vehicle, such as reversing camera, cruise control, air conditioning, fog lights, etc., to make them correct for the customer. We can also cater these vehicles to various industries, so it can be like this one for the hydraulic hose industry. We can do them for the recovery industry, service vans in general for maintenance, and also HGV repairs. All these options are able to be done with us. It's a matter of sitting down with us and us going through the exact requirements you need, and then we can basically go from there.